I mean, we could do single riders and
know.
go on quicker, but then we wouldn't be together.
Well, we can see how much.
Standby entrance is here. Standby entrance.
Entrance is right on that side.
Oh, okay. Sorry. That's how some people get away with like going in quicker.
Well, yeah, it's definitely a lot faster. I feel like this one's like it would be different if this was like interactive. This is
Do not touch.
no.
It's like an egg.
What?
It's an egg with wheels. What are these supposed to be used for? Just made it. 2, 4. think you just put your back on the floor.
Where we have been on this many times. Yeah.
The seatbelt check is around the corner. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please, supervise children. Thank you.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad bien abrochado y mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuiden a los pequeñitos.
Welcome, riders. I'll be your guide on today's journey.
I am your test vehicle.
What are you doing?
Sounding futuristic.
Oh, just be yourself. We've always been dreaming about the road to tomorrow.
And now we set a course for the future.
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the world of today a little differently.
That's where I can help. Let me show you how I see the world.
By using advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises.
Hang on!
Oh, nicely done.
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help keep you powered up.
Smart road activated. Power transfer complete.
Smart roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle body.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Ooh, let's try another. That looked good with the third row.
And here's one I think you'll really love.
Oh, I could get used to this.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Sure, it's always fun to be free.
Our road might have had some twists and turns, but the future is always just around the corner.
And together, we keep moving forward, finding new ways to drive to a brighter tomorrow.
Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon?
Let's go!
Drive might be complete, but just ahead is the vehicle showcase, where you can explore the latest innovations from General Motors.
Camera was all over
Not
the
to
place.
shift gears, but please remember to watch your step and take all of your personal belongings with you as you hit the road. You see what I did there?
I think you should just leave the jokes to me.
Maybe you're right.
Oh, you do? Are we there? That's funny.
Oh, we're back there.
It definitely was different than it was.
Oh yeah, for sure. Definitely a little quicker too.
Yeah, it was definitely
Yeah.
faster.
We're back.
Yeah,
It's huge.
it does look.
It goes like 500 miles on a charge.
500 miles.
Yeah.